I'm Nikki from Roller Skate Revival, and today is a really short video. I'm going to show you how to get rust off of your skate trucks or maybe the hardware. I hydro dipped this one. I don't know if you can see, but I let the axles get kind of rusty. I mean, they were covered with masking tape, but still, when I dipped them in the water, and then like took a couple days for me to finish painting and sealing, so they got a little rusty. So what I did is I have one of these little booze bottles. In Germany we have Christmas booze. I drank the booze, and then I filled it with distilled white vinegar. And since this one is only the consequence of like a couple of days, I think if I let that sit for like 15 minutes, it'll be fine. I'll just get a toothbrush, obviously not the kind I use, not the one I use on my teeth, and I'll brush it off, and I'll show you that it comes off pretty easily. But then for my next trick, I just bought like an old used set of skates, and you can see behind me I'm actually putting it together to like these new Vans. Well, they're not Vans, they're actually Vauxs, generic knockoffs. But so I'm gonna make a video about that, so if that's something you want to see, go ahead and look for that. I also made a video on how to make the aluminum insole, so if that's something you need to know, check that out. But anyway, I'm going to these ones. Maybe you can see that they are actually pretty rusty. So I am gonna let them soak in vinegar overnight, and then I will show you how easy it is to brush it off the next day.
You grab the skates and I'll grab the tools. Let's go rolling around like a couple of fools. Don't care if we're old, let's start something new. As we go rolling around, me and you.
I'm not sure if you could even see in the first place how rusty this was. I think it's too dark in my room, my living room, to show that very well, but it stinks. But now, can I get you in focus? But now it is not rusty at all. So I'm gonna do the same thing for the other one. I'll stick it in here for about 15 minutes. Then I'll come back, brush it off with my disgusting toothbrush, and it'll be fine. Good morning! It's the next day. I've been soaking the toe stop hardware in distilled vinegar overnight. Oh, good. It's just coming off. Like I'm barely even touching it with the toothbrush. Cool. So there you go. Here's this one. Looks basically new. This one, same. They all, actually, I wasn't even sure if I was gonna keep these. I was just using them as an example, but they all look brand new. So I will just put them back on the skates.
You grab the skates